Hello, human of Earth. Welcome to the Architect's Workshop. My human designation is Lola. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you 3 easy ways to edit roof slopes in Revit. So, let's get right into it. I already have Revit open here and 2 views tiled side by side so we can see the plan and 3D view at the same time. Now I've selected the roof command and I'm picking the rectangle tool. I'm just going to draw a rectangle here. Let's expand this a bit. Okay, that's that. When I click on this line, you can see the slope degree is shown and the line is sloped at 30 degrees. You can turn off the slope property on the define slope checkbox. Tick means slope, untick means no slope. Easy peasy. So I'll go ahead and select these other 2 lines and untick them too, leaving 1 line with the slope. The result is a slanted or sloped roof, as you can see. So if you want the slope at a different angle, you can edit it in the properties panel. Just make sure that your model is highlighted. So let's try the next way to edit roof slopes. Highlight the 3 lines, tick define slope, select the 2 shorter lines, hold down Ctrl to add selection or just use the selection box. In the properties panel on the offset from roof box, type 300, okay? Then finish model. As you can see, the roof slope does not start till 300 millimeters of the roof. So let's go back again. Click edit roof, click on the split elements tool or just type SL. Split down the middle and then 800 millimeters from side to side. So we have 4 slopes there on the single line. Highlight the 2 middle lines and untick define slope box. Pick the slope arrow. Take it from the end of the first line to the top of the first line and repeat the same process for the other line. Select both lines, then at the height offset at head box, type in 500. So you see, with slope lines, we've been able to create a gable attachment to the roof. If you're not comfortable using the height at head, in the properties panel, click the drop down box and select slope. Fill in your desired slope. I'll leave mine at 30 degrees since that's what I'm comfortable with. And there you have it. You've been able to edit roof slopes in 3 different ways. So that's that. Finally, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with other humans. If you have any question, comments, suggestions for future tutorials, please type it out in the comments below. See you in the next video, Human of Earth. Signing out is Lola of Tor. Bye-bye.